Hello guys, samahan niyo ako at lagyan natin tong binder na to. Galing to sa na-open kong pack ng Phantasmal Flames na timing naman ay may nakuha akong 151 cards. Before ako mag-start ng video, kausap ko yung tropa ko na kakabukas lang or first time lang din magbukas ng kanyang One Piece cards. Hi Kiko! Apparently, meron na akong mga taong nabudol sa ganitong hobby sa pagko-collect ng cards. From Pokemon to One Piece. Okay lang yan. Na-realize ko nga habang nag-uusap kami ng tropa, okay lang naman na we divert ourselves on these things in hobbies. Especially na if ever that there are things na hindi nyo kayang i-control o hindi kaya i-predict sa current situation nyo. Challenges man yan sa trabaho, challenges man yan sa love life, challenges man yan sa family. There are things that you cannot control. And that's okay. That's life. Now to divert the negativity if ever, and then or rather to forget about the negativity at the meantime, maganda naman na outlet itong pagko-collect or hindi lang pagko-collect but hobby in general. Kasi at least in this activity, you can try to reminisce your childhood or try to reminisce whatever things that you could not do during your childhood and do it now na meron ka ng resources. At the same time, pwede kang mag-set ng mga micro goals mo dito. Like for example, sa akin dito ngayon, yung goal ko dito is to complete my first 151 Pokemon. And that's okay. So kayo dyan na meron din gustong gawin na micro goals siguro, I guess collecting Pokemon cards or One Piece cards is a good entry point. For some, they collect toys. For some, they collect, I guess, bags. For some, they collect relos. Kanya-kanyang diskarte yan. And that's okay. No one can steal the sense of fulfillment and sense of accomplishment on those moments na nakokompleto mo yung target mo. Huwag lang natin paabutin sa punto na yung buong buhay mo dinivert mo na sa hobby to a point na ikaw din naman yung nalugi. Okay lang siguro kung yung pangkabuhayan mo is yung hobby mo na din mismo. Yun siguro okay lang. Swerte din kasi ng mga tao na yung naging pangkabuhayan nila is yung hobby na din nila mismo. 'Di ba? Sabi nga nila, if you love your job, you will never have to go to work ever again. Yun lang.